Good morning everyone. So today we are starting our exercise 9.1. So exercise 9.1. So in this, divide the given shapes as instructed. So they have given one figure. We have to divide that figure. So what is the first figure we will see? So in this first one, the figure is in this way. Okay, so what we have to divide into three rectangles we have to divide. So this figure we have to divide in the form of three rectangles. So how to divide this in the form of three rectangles we will see. So this is a given figure. This one we have to divide into three rectangles. So how to divide this into three rectangles? See this. I am drawing one line here. This is first rectangle, second rectangle, and this is third rectangle. So I am writing the names now. This is A, B, C, D. Next E, F, G, H, I, J. So for every intersection point I have given the name. So how many different rectangles it has been formed? 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangles. So what are the rectangles we will see? So first is rectangle ABCD. ABCD is one rectangle. Next is rectangle CFGE. Next is last rectangle, that is EIJH. So these are the three rectangles. We have divided the first figure in the form of three rectangles. So second figure you see. So second figure is, it is in this order. Okay, so what we have to divide this figure we have to divide in the form of three rectangles. So this also we have to divide in the form of three rectangles. So how to divide in the form of three rectangles we will see. Okay, so I am drawing the line here. Okay, so first rectangle, second rectangle, and third rectangle. Name the figures now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, this is I, J. Okay, now what are the rectangles? First rectangle is A, B, C, D is the first rectangle. Second rectangle is E, F, G, H, and third rectangle is C, G, I, J. So these are the three rectangles. Okay, second figure also we have divided into the form of three rectangles. Now third figure. Now this figure we have to divide in the form of two triangles and one rectangle. So you should get two triangles and one rectangle. So how to divide this we will see. How we can divide this into the form of two triangles and one rectangle. So one line I am drawing here and here. So two triangles and this is one rectangle. So I am name it here A, B, C, D, E, F. So what are the two triangles here? Triangle ABC is one triangle. Triangle DEF is other triangle, and we want one more rectangle. So rectangle is BDFC is one rectangle. So this is our third one. Next figure we have to divide into three triangles. We have to divide that into three triangles. So how to divide that into three triangles we will see. So figure is okay. So this is a figure. So we have to divide this into three triangles. So how to divide? So I am drawing one line like this. This will be a one triangle, and crossly I am drawing. So this two parts will be other two triangles. First triangle, second triangle, and third triangle. So now what are the triangles? Name it as A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So what is the first triangle? Triangle ABC is one triangle. Second triangle is BDC. And third triangle is EBD. So these are the three triangles. So this is our first bit. So second bit we will see. Find the area enclosed by each of the following figures. So we have to find the area of the given figures now. So how to find the area we will see. We have to find the areas now. So first figure is this one. So this is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and this is E. And the measurements are from here to here. From here to here they have given us 6 centimeters, and from here to here it is 4 centimeters. Okay, so and this part is also 4 centimeters. So this figure has been divided into two parts. This whole figure is having two type of figures, two different figures you are seeing. So what are the two different figures? One is triangle, other is square. Okay, one is triangle and other is square. So we have to find the area of this figure. So how to find the area of this figure? Area of a triangle plus area of a square. So this is a square and this is triangle. So first we have to find the area of a triangle plus area of a square will become area of the given figure. Okay, so how to find the area of a given figure? Area of a triangle plus area of a square will be equals to area of whole figure. So first what we will find? We will find area of a triangle here. So area of triangle. So what is area of a triangle formula? Half into base into height. So area of a triangle is half into base into height. So here area is equals to half is a constant value, and what is the base of this triangle? Base of a triangle is AC. This part is a base. Okay, and they didn't give any value here. That means down part is in the form of square, so all sides will be equal. So this will also will be equals to 4 centimeters, because in square all sides will be equal. And height value, what is the height? From here to here this will become a height. This perpendicular line is a height value and this is a base value. And what will be the height? Already they told that from here to here it is 6 centimeters. Okay, and in the square from here to here is only 4 centimeters, because in square all sides will be equal. So if it is 4, this part will be equals to how much? That will be equals to 2 centimeters. That is 4 plus 2 will be equals to 6 centimeters. So what we can write here? Before finding this, first we will find the height value. So this is height. Okay, so height will be equals to how much? Height is equals to 6 centimeters minus 4 centimeters. height is equals to how much now? 2 centimeters. So height of a triangle is 2 centimeters and base value is how much? Base is equals to 4 centimeters. Now these two values you substitute in this formula. That is area is equals to half into base into height. So area is equals to half is a constant value. Base value is 4 centimeters and height value is how much? 2 centimeters. So 2 will get cancelled. So area is how much? 4 centimeters square. So you got area of a triangle as 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of a square. In square all sides will be equal. So area of square equals to, what is area of a square formula? Side into side. So side value is how much? Side of a square is how much here? 4 centimeters. Substitute this 4 centimeters in here. So that is area equals to 4 centimeters into 4 centimeters. So area equals to 4 4s are 16. Centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter square. So area of a square you got it as 16 centimeter square. So you got the area of triangle also and area of a square. Now if you add area of a triangle and area of a square, you will get area of the given figure. So area of figure equals to area of triangle plus area of square. Okay, area of a triangle plus area of a square. So area of a figure equals to area of a triangle. How much you got? Area of a triangle you got it as 4 centimeters. That is 4 centimeters square plus area of a square you got as 16 centimeters square. That is 16 centimeters square. So what is the area of a figure here? Area of a figure equals to 16 plus 4 will be 20 centimeters square. So this is the area of the given figure. So in this way you will find area of a given figure. So next is second one. So next figure we have to find the area. And here names are E, D, F, G, C, here A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is 7 centimeters. From here to here, this part to this part, it is 8 centimeters, and from here to here it is 18 centimeters. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the area of this figure. Okay, so if you divide this figure, that will be converted into two parts. I am joining a line here. Okay, so this is in the form of square, because in square all sides are equal. Here also they have given all sides are equal. So this one is square and other is a trapezium. So already we have learned what is area of a trapezium formula. Okay, so now if you add area of a trapezium and area of a square, that will be equals to area of the total figure. Okay, so now first what we have to find? We have to find area of a trapezium here. Area of, I am taking in the form of alphabets, that is E, D, C, F, that is in the form of trapezium. Area of a trapezium formula is what? That is h by 2 into A plus B. H is nothing but the height value and A plus B is parallel lines. The sum of two parallel lines is called as A plus B. So this is the A value and this is the B value, because these two are the parallel lines for the trapezium. So here height is how much? Here height is from here to here, the height is how much? 8 centimeters by 2. And what is the A value? A value is 7 centimeters plus B value. B is the other parallel side. So what is the B value? This base is included for the square also. In square all sides will be equal. So if it is 18 centimeters, here also it will be 18 centimeters. So here you got 18 centimeters. Okay. So now 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 centimeters plus 18 plus 7. 7 will be 14. That means 15. 25. 25 centimeters. 18 plus 7 will be 25 centimeters. Now 4 into 25 is how much? That will be 100 centimeter square. So you got area of a trapezium as 100 centimeter square. Now we have to find area of a square. Area of a square formula is S into S. So side value how much they have given? They have given as 18 centimeters. So 18 centimeters into 18 centimeters. So 18 into 18 is how much? Area equals to, area is equals to, side is 18 centimeters. So area is equals to 18 centimeters into 18 centimeters. So area is equals to how much? 324 centimeters square. So area of a square you got it as 324 centimeters square. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area of whole figure. So area of figure equals to area of trapezium plus area of square. Area of a trapezium plus area of a square. So area of a trapezium you got as 100 centimeters square plus area of a square you got as 324 centimeters square. So if you add these two, how much will it will be? That is 424 centimeters square. So you got area of total figure as 424 centimeter square. Okay, so this is our second one. So how to find the area of a given figure? Every figure can be divided, every quadrilateral can be divided into two parts. So it can be in triangle, it can be rectangle, or it can be any other, it can be in the form of trapezium also. So you know all the formulas. So by using that formulas you can find any type of area of a figure. Okay, so this is our second one. So remaining problems we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.